Asymmetric games allow players to manipulate a physical space from 2 points of view. For example, in Our Virtual House, players use different tools to collaboratively design the interior of a house. Our virtual house is composed of a large tabletop showing a top-down view of a 3D space, and an immersive virtual reality view to visit the space in real time. Players of Our Virtual House can work both with a top-down spatial view, as well as understanding the look and feel at an immersive human scale. However, because a VR player is blind to what the table user is doing, the two players don't share the same point of view over the space. We have developed a set of interaction techniques to help them communicate. The table player can point out areas to the VR player by simply touching the table. The touch creates a laser pointer that is immediately visible in the VR view. Similarly, the VR player can point to an element by triggering a blue laser with their gamepad. This laser is also immediately visible on the table. The table player also sees the position and orientation of the VR player at all times. When the table player moves a piece of furniture, a compass shows their activity to the VR user, and the furniture is visible with a see-through effect. Finally, shared referencing is supported by cardinal references shown on a compass on the top of the VR view and on the edge of the table display. An informal user study indicated that players adapt well to the system's two roles and find the collaborative widgets to be effective. The study also revealed interesting communication behaviors that are detailed in the paper.